till I had eaten all my greens. It wasn't my decision, no, it wasn't up to me. Out there in the garden, or the patio beneath, what did Lucy find there? What did Lucy see?
You can't resolve me, but I'm gonna take a trip. You can't resolve me, I'd rather take a trip. Let's go, Lucy, you can't use me. You can't resolve me, you're already into it.
Take the second start, the line goes straight in until dawn.
Pretty soon all of this is gonna turn into six. I'm scared.